Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do the roughly 2,300 mile inspection on our J&L OSC oil catch can. We have, if you remember the video, and I'll put a link to it in the description below, where Becky installed the oil catch can, and we went with the silver J&L OSC 3.0 can. So it's the 3 fluid ounce can. So let's go ahead and without any delay, let's take it off and see what we've got in roughly 2,300 miles. A little chilly out here, isn't it?
It's very chilly.
Ah, smell of oil. I smell oil.
And now in our video before of me installing it, it was super easy to get on. And it looks pretty easy to get off as well. So check it.
Wow, look at this. All right, so the big reveal, roughly 2,300 miles. We have this is a 22, you can tell by the color, eruption green, 2.7 ecoboost, and here we go. See all that oil in there?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see that?
I can see it.
All right, so that oil right in there would have ended up on the back side of the intake valves. And you might not think, well, that's a lot of oil. Imagine this constantly, right? Every time you drive, just coating those valves. And if that's 2,300 miles, what does 10,000 look like? What does 20,000 look like? Oil catch cans. So a lot of people will say in the comments, you have dual injection, you don't need it. How dual injection works is the port injection is at idle or low speed, low demand, so to speak. When the engine is under boost or higher RPMs or you're working it, it's going to be direct injections, which means none of this. And by the way, even if it's port injection, it's always nice to get this out of the air that's going into the cylinder. It's nice to get this out of the air, period, even if you have port injection. So that's it. This is collected from the air leaving the crankcase, the PCV system, the positive crankcase vent that leaves the valve cover and goes all the way around through the PCV valve back into the intake. And so basically what happens is when the crankcase is under positive pressure, you have vapor, you have all these particulates in the vapor of the crankcase. They end up right here. And if you don't have this, they end up on the intake valve, in the cylinders, top of the piston, and I don't like this. So I am happy with the J&L catch can. I just don't like that being in my engine. So this is why we have a catch can. All right, everyone, I hope this video answers some questions. It doesn't matter, dual injection, direct injection. The 2.7 EcoBoost has a lot less vapor from what I'm hearing. So it's not like it's the worst thing in the world. I think Ford's doing a great job with preventing a lot of this vapor, but this is it. I can't tell you to get one. I can just tell you I'm glad I've got one. All right, everyone, if you haven't already, please hit that thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon, and you'll know we go live or drop a video or check our oil catch can in the future. See you next time.